Hey guys, if you're going to Finder on your Mac, so you open that up and you don't see all these options. So for example, you don't see pictures, maybe you don't see your home folder, so that's where everything takes over. So let me just click on it, iMac, that's what I called it. And that's where you're gonna see your desktop documents, everything within here, that's everything that's inside your Mac. And all these other ones, well, all you guys have to do is go on the top left hand side of your screen, click on Finder, go into settings, and then from settings we can turn on anything that makes sense to you. So whatever you guys want to be here under your favorites, just put a check mark on it. So maybe some of you don't have movies on here. Just put a check mark on it and movies will appear. Same thing goes with your home folder. So this is where everything takes place. This is what most people don't have. So put a check mark there. Same goes with music, documents, anything that you want to be on your sidebar, you do it from here. And that includes locations, like external locations as well. So right now, just make sure you click on anything that makes sense to you, then just close it. And there you go. You guys are gonna have that here on your favorites. So anything that's missing from here, you can add it on just by doing that. And that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.